Okay, this is the right wing we're building for the 2021 Alaska Airmen's Association Raffle Cup. This wing, we started, it came off the airplane that we're rebuilding November 15 X-ray. We reused the spars. I cleaned them up and I primed them so that they're primed. The ribs are Univar ribs that we bought through Stoddard's Aircraft at Merrill Field. All the other metal parts are reused out of the wing that we disassembled, and we either primed them with primer or we set the pieces in to get powder coated at advanced powder coating. I always put new straps on for the lift strut attach straps on every airplane I rebuild. Okay, these are the wing attach hangers, and this piece here is a Whip Air 2,000-pound gross weight attachment. Is this black piece. We always put in new hangers because this hole can get wallered out in flight, and the only way to fix it is put a new hanger in. Secondly, these are our flap hangers. I always drill a hole in them to let the water out. And this hanger, the hinge block has been removed because we're going to put in Airframes Alaska P-stall flaps. And so when you do the P-stall flaps, you got to remove the block and put their bracket in for the P-stall flaps. And I like to have powder coat in here. So we removed them, powder coat them, we'll add the bracket, and then this one goes right here is the location that it'll go. If you notice, all of our false spar, we put new false spar on, and it's all sanded. We'll prime it before we put it on. We got all new leading edge skins, and they're all sanded because we'll prime all our leading edge skins before we install them. Airframes, P-stall flaps. In the kit comes the brackets, and the brackets are the ones that go inside the actually goes yeah, I think it goes that way, inside the flap hangers. This is the arm that goes up inside the flap hanger to give it the strength, because there's lots more load on the flap hangers. These are assortment of the new actuators to make the double slotted flaps work. They send new push-pull rods because they're a different length. You use the same ball joint in the flap in the wing, but they have new ones on their P-stall flaps. These are the brackets. The little angle brackets beef up the inboard rib. They'll be riveted on the inboard rib right about like that to beef up. Actually, I have to read the directions. I think it might go across the spar. I forget. I'll have to look at the directions. And these are plates to beef up your false spar. If you put these on after the wing's covered, it's difficult finding all your holes. So we like to put these brackets on before we cover, because instead of putting them in with Cherry Max rivets, we can put them together with structural screws, or we put them together with hard rivets, structural rivets.
Right on.
Okay, that's the wing. We'll show more at a later date.